So in this program we are going to create a star, just a step like this, and we have to know how to make the star first. So as you know, firstly we have to make a line, a line that has a equal shape in all of its sides, and we have to know the angle to make the star. So if I start my turtle from here, a pointer from here, and it will go over here, right? So I need to turn it around. So the angle, so this will be like this. Okay, this is the angle that I need to create. This is the angle that I need to create, and as we know, it will be 144 degree. So now in this scenario, the input turtle is the library where I can input my image and shape of the Python, and the star is goes to turtle. The turtle gives me a place or my file name of my file so that I can store my shape over there. Now we use a loop function over here so that we can make the star. So firstly we use the loop function that for I in range 5, it means that we are going to make the 5 line, first line, second line, third line, fourth line, and fifth line. So it will be completed, right? Okay, and then here star high turtles works as a the pointer that the arrow sign that used during the process. I like to hide it, so I hide the turtle. And okay, let's go with the another next step. In the next step, start.forward 80 means I am going to move my pixel from here to 80 pixels ahead. It means that it's going to be here. So it's going to be here. If I want to make it a bigger star, then I can even increase that pixel size, or if I want to decrease the size of my star, then I can decrease it too. So, and what does forward means? It means that the arrow is pointed to in a forward direction. So when I move my turtle with 140 degrees Celsius, it goes like this. So the forward position will be like this. It doesn't mean that it has always need to go on a right side. So also, and for the another step, all I did is that I change the angle, right? I go the 80 pixel ahead, but I need to change the position. So I change the position with 140 degrees Celsius. Either I can do the left, that means anti-clockwise, or the clockwise direction. Since our given picture is also in this shape, so I did it in the right position. So that's all I did. And finally it's gonna be repeated for the loop, since it will be the fifth position. So this will be the first, this will be the second, this will be the third, this will be the fourth, and this will be the fifth, right? Okay, that's all it does. Now I have now my star has been completed, and thus that's all we need to do to make our star.